Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. On this equation, we will present our 15% progress on the project classification of school dropout risk using the KNN algorithm. Our group member consists of myself, Fani Abdul Rafiq, next Singgi Abdul Hakim, next Madani Ardana. Next. Dataset and labeling. Point 1. Data source and types. This project utilizes data from the dataset dropout-scholar.csv file. The data is tabular data containing various factors or features that we suspect influence the dropout rate. These features include the teacher-student ratio, poverty rate in the school area, and various other economic or social indicators. Point 2. Initial target variable and engineering. Our initial target variable Y is school dropout percent, which is numerical data percentage. However, since we are using the KNN algorithm for classification, we cannot use the percentage directly. Therefore, we performed target engineering to convert this percentage into risk category low, medium, and high. Point 3. Risk labeling process low, medium, high. This labeling process was carried out by dividing the school dropout percentage data into three risk categories based on quartile or quartile 1 and quartile 3. The division using quartiles ensures that the three classes are relative evenly dividend in terms of data equity. At the beginning of the project, after labeling, we check the distribution of class to identify whether imbalanced data handling is required. Next.
Pre-processing, imbalance check and SMUTE. Part 1. Initial class distribution check leaf bottom. After the target engineering process using quartiles, we check the initial class distribution. The results show significant class imbalance. The moderate class is dominant with a count of 7,000 plus dataset, while the low and high class it's only have 3,000 plus dataset. Part 2. Imbalance handling with SMOTE, right, top, and bottom. To address with imbalance issue, we use the smooth synthetic minority over sampling and technique. Technique smooth function to create new synthetic data sample for the minority class, specifically low and high. In the training data, after smooth was implemented, the training data become balanced with 5,000 sample each and ready for training modeling. Next, feature extraction and handling of balance. Point 1. Normalization. We perform feature normalization using standard scalar. The goal is to equalize the value range of all features. This is crucial for the KNN algorithm, ensuring no single feature dominates and distance calculation in the model. Point 2. Feature extraction. Although smooth is more actually categorized as unbalancing handling, we re-impise that this process of sampling is a part of data transformation. Smooth is used synthetically add minority data sample to the training data, which aim to prevent the model from becoming biased towards the majority class. Next.
In progress project, the main objective of this project is to classify the risk of school dropout into three categories: low, medium, and high using the key nearest neighbor or KNN algorithm. Step 1, project design. The target encoding was set based on the quartiles Q1 and Q3 of the school dropout percentage variable. We select the KNN method for classification, and step 1 is a done, and next to step 2, data pre-processing. The data was split into training and testing set with an 18 calling 20 ratio using stratification features were normalized using standard scalar. Critical class imbalance was successfully handled by applying smooth to the training data. And step 2 is done. And next to the step 3 in modeling. Model optimization was performed by searching for the best key value number of neighbors using grid search CV ranging from 1 to 20. The best key value found is state the best key value from your code output. And last ones, and step 4, optimization and evaluation. We evaluate the model performance using the accuracy score on the testing set. The resulting accuracy score is state the accuracy score from your code output. In-depth evaluation was also performed using the classification report, precision, recall, effort score, and the confusion metric. And next, Python code explanation. This slide briefly outlines the key segment of the Python code from initial data preprocessing up to handling class imbalance. Number 1, initial preparation and target encoding. The code utilizes the custom categories dropout function as its core to transform the dropout percentage column into the three required risk labels: low, medium, and high. These risk boundaries are determined dynamically by calculating the quartile Q1 and Q3 values from the raw dataset, ensuring data-driven class segregation. And pre-processing and imbalance handling. First, the data is split into 80 calling 20 training and testing set using the stratify parameter to maintain class proportion. Second, feature normalization is performed using standard scalar. Finally, the small technique is applied to the normalized training data, successfully generating the balanced dataset X train res and Y train res that are ready for the modeling phase. Next.
This concludes our presentation regarding the progress of the school dropout risk classification project using the KNN algorithm. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.